Congratulations, guys. We are on the last question of array and string problem of Leetcode 75, and the problem is string compression. The problem says that we are given a vector of characters and we need to compress it. How we need to compress it? That we would be given the consecutive how many elements are there, that character and its count. Again, that character and its count. For example, A occurs 2 times, so A2, B occurs twice, B2, and C occurs 3 times, then C3. For example, A is occurring 1 time, it will remain as it is, that is they have mentioned, and B is occurring 12 times, so B 12. So 1 and 2 they are separately, and the rest of the B's are gone, right? So idea over here is that first we'll create how we count the counter of each of the consecutive characters. So this is 3 is occurring 3 times, B is occurring 2 times, C is 2 times, D is 3 times. So what I'll do is very first occurrence of whatever character we have, it will remain as it is. The very immediate characters, I will start adding whatever the number we got. So in this case 3, so A3, and rest it will be blank space. For B, it will be B, and other position I will start adding. So here it goes to C2 and D is 3. So D3 and the rest is space. Again, what I'll do is I'll shift all the spaces at the last and simply do the pop back. And this will be my final answer. So the code for this is I initialize CTR as 1, started checking the current matches with I minus 1, increase CTR by 1. If that's not the case, and if CTR is greater than 1, otherwise don't do anything. If it is greater than 1, then convert CTR to string and start I minus CTR, that will be the very first occurrence of the character, plus 1, that is just after that, update it with the number whatever we got. Simply edit and update the number. And once we are done, that is the I minus CTR plus 1 plus temp dot size, then update it with the space, right? Simply do it for when we are done with the loop also, so that for the last element we do the same. Now what we'll do is, now we'll, with the help of 2 pointers, we'll shift that whenever I got my chars of j is space, in that case simply increment my j, and otherwise update chars of I with chars of j. So simply 2 pointer update in order to shift the spaces to the last, and whatever the characters we have, club them together. So this is the approach that we follow, and simply at the last do the pop back until the chars dot size is greater than I, and simply returns the chars dot size as answer. So yeah, that's all for this question.